Welcome to our App Central tutorial on how to access ParentVUE for Virginia Beach City Public Schools parents. ParentVUE is the parent portal for access to grades, attendance records, student assignments, missing assignments, notes from teachers about assignments, and historic academic and enrollment information. To access ParentVUE for the first time, go to bbschools.com/families, scroll down to the ParentVUE tab, and click the Login button. You will then click Activate Account, enter your first and last name, then the activation key provided by your student's school via email or printout. This activation key will automatically tie your student with your ParentVUE account. Then you will be able to create your signature login and password and have access to features such as your student's class schedule, attendance, gradebook, and one of our other major platforms, Canvas. ParentVUE is also accessible from their mobile app through iOS and Android. Thank you for accessing our App Central site. Feel free to watch our other tutorial videos on apps used within Virginia Beach City Public Schools.